How it all began. Two planetesimals crashed, forming a bigger planet called Earth. It is hot in here. It hit me? What is going on? This was how the Earth looked like in the beginning. It was full of molten rock. Oldest known rocks and fossils 3.8 billion years ago. The oldest known rocks and fossils in fact are cyanobacteria from the Archean rocks of Western Australia, dated 3.5 billion years old. First known plants, algae 3.8 billion years ago. Some that looked like seaweeds and represent eukaryotic algae. Red and green algae appeared in the Proterozoic probably over 1 billion years ago. First known animal, jellyfish, 1.2 billion years ago. Beginning of the Cambrian and the first abundant fossils, 550 million years ago. The Cambrian period marks the important point in the history of life on Earth. It is the time when most of the major groups of animals first appeared in the fossil record. Beginning of the Ordovician and first backboned animals, 500 million years ago. Ordovician is marked by the appearance of the oldest bony vertebrates whose appearance is completely known. These were jawless armored fish informally called ostracoderms. Beginning of the Silurian and the first land plants 440 million years ago. First clear evidence of life on land. Cosconia of the Less has usually been considered the oldest known plant on this period. Beginning of the Mississippian 350 million years ago. Carboniferous forests were abundant during this period. Coal deposits were also formed during this period. Beginning of the Pennsylvanian and the first reptiles, 305 million years ago. Beginning with the Permian, 285 million years ago. Last period of the Proterozoic era. At the end of the Permian was largest mass extinction recorded in the history of Earth. Beginning of the Triassic period and the first dinosaurs 245 million years ago. The first continent Pangaea existed, altering global climate and ocean circulation. In the Triassic also took place the largest extinction event in the history of life, and so is a time when the survivors of that event spread and recolonized. Beginning of the Jurassic period and the first mammals 205 million years ago. No bigger than rats were the number of first mammals. First boats 150 million years ago had marine characteristics of land dinosaurs but had wings and feathers. Beginning of the Cretaceous 140 million years ago. It is known for the last portion of the age of the dinosaurs, but that does not mean that new kind of dinosaurs did not appear then. It is during the Cretaceous and the first Ceratopsian and Pachylosaurid dinosaurs appeared. Also during this time we find the first fossils of many insect groups, modern mammal groups and bird groups, and the first flowering plants. Beginning of the Paleocene and the first primates 65 million years ago. Beginning of the Eocene 60 million years ago. Most of the modern mammals appear in the brief period during the early Eocene, and all were small, under 10 kilograms. Beginning of the Oligocene and the first elephants 35 million years ago. The appearance of the first elephants with trunks, early horses, and the first appearance of many grasses. Beginning of the Miocene 25 million years ago. First horses and saber-tooth appeared. First beavers appeared. First bears. The first bears appeared in the beginning of the Pliocene 5 million years ago. First human-like animals appeared 2 million years ago. Beginning of the Pleistocene and Ice Ages, 1 million years ago. Largest land mammals of the Pleistocene world looked like this 1.5 million years ago. The white areas represent the parts that were totally frozen. But with the pass of time the world became hotter and it started to flood, so the animal species had to migrate. These were the last ice ages. Last ice age, 10,000 years ago. Animals migrating. Save me! This is how the planet Earth looks like today. People throughout the world needs it, but they are damaging it. We need to take care of it.